If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. WordArt in Microsoft Publisher is text that is formatted as if it is a shape. Therefore, you can use many of the same formatting techniques and styles you use when formatting shapes to also format WordArt. To insert WordArt into a publication in Publisher, click the Insert tab in the ribbon. Then click the WordArt button in the text button group to show a list of WordArt styles in a drop-down menu. Click to select the WordArt style to apply, to then open the Edit WordArt Text dialog box. In this dialog box, enter the WordArt's text into the text field. To change the font, select a font choice from the font dropdown. To set the size of the font, select a choice from the size dropdown. To apply bolding or italics to the WordArt, click either the Bold or Italics button respectively. Note that all font formatting is applied to all text within the text field, irrespective of any selections you make in the field. After typing the WordArt's text, click the OK button to automatically insert the WordArt into the publication page. You can then change its properties by using the WordArt contextual tab that appears in the ribbon. Many of the buttons on the WordArt tab work the same way as their counterparts that appear on the Shape Format contextual tab, so you should watch the lesson titled Formatting Shapes, which then also shows you how to format WordArt too. However, there is a unique text button group at the left end of the WordArt contextual tab in the ribbon that lets you change the WordArt's text. To reopen the Edit WordArt Text dialog box to edit the WordArt's text if needed, click the Edit Text button in this button group. To show a drop-down of choices that lets you set the amount of spacing between letters in the WordArt, click the Spacing button. To make all the letters in the WordArt the same height, including both uppercase and lowercase letters, click the Even Height button. To toggle the letters in the WordArt between a vertical and horizontal display, click the Vertical Text button. If needed, to set the horizontal alignment of multi-line text within the WordArt display box, click the Alignment button, and then select your alignment choice from the drop-down that appears. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.